Greetings, Professor. My name is Samuel Odhiambo, and I'm recording for Module 2 assignment on management theories. And this assignment is seeking that we develop a plan to implement scientific management techniques for a manufacturing plant that has noticed production inefficiencies or rather delays within their production lines. So, having learned of the Frederick Taylor scientific management theory, that suggests that productivity will increase if jobs were optimized and simplified. I will right away conduct time studies, and this will help me accurately measure the time taken to complete each task in the production line. This will also help me identify tasks that are taking longer than necessary and that are contributing to these inefficiencies. By setting up the time studies, I will able to set up benchmarks for each task and establish realistic time that workers should meet and standardized timelines. And by this, I will also be able to identify bottlenecks, especially by analyzing the production line, identify areas where workflow is obstructed or rather causing delays and rather the inefficiencies. Once these bottlenecks are identified, we'll be able to focus on streamlining these areas by reallocating resources, reorganizing the work process, and also implementing technological solutions. We all know that in this era, technology is key to optimize the work processes. And going by that, it is very easy for me now to encourage collaboration between my employees and supervisors to review the current work process and identify areas for improvement. I will also be able to implement standardized work procedures and methods to streamline operation and eliminate the unnecessary procedures or rather unnecessary steps within the production line. I would also encourage training of these employees so that they're able to process and ensure that they have the necessary tools and resources to maximize efficiencies. By that, I will be able to implement as well incentive system. These will be based on performance metrics to motivate employees and encourage efficiencies. Having learned of the roles of management, it's very key that we also encourage the junior staff to give and to improve, give their all and improve on the performance. So rewarding employees that meet exceeding production targets, adhering to time standards, and contributing to overall process of improvement will be key in my implementation of the scientific system. And by that, I can be able now to monitor progress and continuously improve. So by establishing key performance indicators, those are key KPIs, to measure the effectiveness of implemented changes and monitor progress regularly. So by that, I'm able to gather feedback as well from my employees and from the supervisors, identifying further opportunities for improvement and continue refining the process to achieve achieve the set goals or optimal efficiency. So by implementing scientific management techniques such as the time studies, bottlenecks identification, and process optimization, I will be able to improve the efficiencies and effectiveness of this manufacturing plant, specifically for the production line. And with that, I think scientific way will be easier to implement and follow up and also track the performances. Thank you very much. I appreciate this.